Keep your Mahindra XUV 3XO's infotainment system current for optimal performance and access to the latest features. There are two primary methods for updating: over-the-air and USB. OTA updates are the easiest, occurring wirelessly through the vehicle's internet connection. Ensure you have a stable connection via SIM card or Wi-Fi hotspot. Navigate to the System Settings menu to initiate the update. USB updates involve downloading the update file from Mahindra's official website to a FAT32 formatted USB drive. Then, plug the drive into the infotainment system's USB port and follow the on-screen instructions. This method is useful in areas with poor network connectivity. Always prioritize safety. Updates will pause if the vehicle is in motion. Maps, Android Auto, and CarPlay updates. Map updates powered by Here Maps are delivered via OTA or USB, incorporating real-time traffic and new road data. For Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensure your device meets the minimum requirements: Android 8 Plus or iOS 12 Plus. Wireless connectivity issues can often be resolved through system updates or by ensuring your phone's operating system is up to date. Check Mahindra's website or app for compatibility notes specific to your phone model. These updates improve voice assistant integration and overall smartphone mirroring reliability. Keep an eye on official announcements from Mahindra for the latest software versions and enhancements.